What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Honda powered Troybilt lawnmower. And the problem is it's been severely neglected and left on the curb. Let's see if it's worth bringing back to life. One of the most redeeming features about this mower is the self-propelled system, but unfortunately the tires have zero tread on them, so unfortunately they're not going to be pulling very well. And the second feature that I like most about this mower is the Honda engine, which I personally like because of its overall performance. And checking the gas tank reveals that there is some fresh gas in there, so somebody tried to start it before putting it on the curb. Let's move on to the air filter now. Well, this is in terrible shape, so this is definitely going to have to be replaced. Now let's move on to check the oil and see how that looks. Well, it's dirty, but there is enough for us to check if it'll run. Well, as you can see, the pull rope spring is a little dirty, so it's going to need to be cleaned and lubricated as well, which really isn't that tough a job at all. And since we're here at the handlebars, let's take a look at the brake cable. It's completely broken, and it's going to need to be replaced as well. For us to try and start this engine, we'll have to bypass the brake and kill switch. I'm going to use this piece of wire to tie the switch in the depressed position. This is not, of course, a permanent fix. It's only used to help us figure out if this thing will actually run on startup. And fortunately for us, it does seem to be running, but it seems to be running a little too fast. There might be a problem with the governor linkage, or more likely a throttle plate on the carb is stuck wide open. And if we check underneath the deck, we can also see that there's also a problem with the blade. It looks to be severely damaged, and it will definitely need to be replaced. I wasn't able to test the self-propel system as the cable was also damaged. Unfortunately, this was one of its most redeeming features and may be a factor in not bringing this mower back to life. In parts alone and with Amazon prices, both the cable, the blade, and the air filter would make this lawnmower a good candidate to be brought back to life. However, if we have to replace the front wheels, it'll make it a little bit more difficult to make it worth actually fixing. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.